This is it, the final episode of our DRT Motorsports RZR Pro R Transformation series. Today we're installing the black DRT Aluminum Front Grill, the last piece that finishes off the entire build.
What's up guys, JT with Team FAS Motorsports. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be installing the front grille and finishing up our DRT mini series on our RZR Pro R. So on this grill, you're going to have your hardware and some filler plates. Depending on which bumper you're going to use, is if you'll use these plates or not. You have some other T-bolts, some factory hardware, and then another bracket. So this is a pretty simple one-person job. Should take about 20 minutes or so to get this installed. You're going to first remove your factory grill. Get that out of the way. And then you'll have some notches back here. You're just going to go ahead and slide this bracket into place right there on both sides. Pull it forward. Next, you're going to go ahead and put these inserts into place. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and get our T-bolt set up. And these are threaded. Now you just want to put it through a couple threads so you have enough room to maneuver this into place on the machine. All right, so now we'll go ahead and get our grill into place. So you're going to go ahead and take these T-bolts and just maneuver them right through there. And then you're going to pull forward on your factory plastic and get the grill right behind it. You're going to do the same thing here on the other side. So now once this is tucked behind the plastics on both sides and into place, we'll go ahead and just put a little pressure and get this tightened up a bit. And now we'll go ahead and install these two lower bolts to the mount. So next we're going to go ahead and do these T-bolts. I'm just going to hold it here with a screwdriver in place from spinning. Okay, that's it. So you got your two T-bolts on the outside, two bolts that go into your bracket here, and your grill's all installed. I did pull this back out. I just wanted to mention and clean up the threads on both of these bolts. They basically have like powder coat and paint. So if you run them all the way through the bracket in the back on both sides, this goes a lot easier. Then you just pull it forward, tighten it down, and it goes right in. So other than that, that's pretty much it on the DRT grill install. Thanks again for checking out this mini series that we did with DRT Motorsports and just giving this RZR some functional parts as well as dressing it up a bit before Camp RZR this year. So if you liked the video, go ahead and click subscribe, like, share. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. And for any of these parts, you could shop teamfasmotorsports.com or always give us a call at 914-799-5558. That's pretty much it. Check out some of our new merch at fasmerch.shop. And we'll see you in the dunes.